Good afternoon, Anna. You look upset today. What happened?
Good afternoon, Mr. Wilson. Something happened in English class.
Tell me about it.
I tried to answer a question in English, but I made many mistakes.
That's normal when you're learning.
Some students laughed at me.
I'm sorry to hear that.
After that, I didn't want to speak anymore.
Did their laughter make you feel embarrassed?
Yes, very embarrassed.
I understand, but making mistakes is part of learning.
It doesn't feel that way. I feel like everyone is better than me.
Do you know why some students speak English better?
Because they're smarter?
Not necessarily. Most of them have simply practiced longer.
Really?
Yes, nobody starts speaking perfectly.
My biggest problem is pronunciation.
What happens when you try to speak?
I know some words, but I'm afraid I'll pronounce them wrong.
So you stay silent?
Yes.
That's a common problem.
I also forget words when I'm nervous.
That happens to many learners.
Sometimes I know the answer in my head, but I can't say it.
Because you're thinking about mistakes instead of communication.
Maybe you're right.
Let me ask you something. Can a baby speak perfectly?
No,
Does a baby stop trying after making mistakes?
no.
Then why should you?
I never thought about it that way.
English is a skill. Skills improve through practice.
But how should I practice?
First, read English aloud for 10 minutes every day,
Even if my pronunciation is bad?
especially if it's bad.
Okay.
Second, listen to short English videos and repeat the sentences.
Like shadowing?
Exactly.
What else?
Keep a notebook of useful phrases.
Not just single words?
Right. Learn phrases, not only vocabulary.
Why?
Because real conversations use phrases.
That makes sense.
Third, speak English a little every day.
But I don't have anyone to practice with.
You can talk to yourself.
Really?
Yes, describe your day in English.
That sounds strange.
It feels strange at first, but it works.
I'll try.
Another thing, don't compare yourself with other students.
That's difficult.
Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday.
I like that idea.
Did you know I was terrible at Spanish when I started learning?
You were?
Absolutely. People corrected me all the time.
What did you do?
I kept practicing.
And eventually you improved.
Exactly.
I guess I gave up too easily.
You didn't give up. You're just discouraged.
That's true.
One bad day doesn't decide your future.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
You're welcome.
I think I'll answer questions again next class.
Good. Make mistakes proudly.
Proudly?
Every mistake means you're trying.
I never thought about mistakes that way.
One day, you'll speak confidently.
I hope so.
Not hope, practice.
Then I'll start today.
That's the spirit. Now, let's review some useful phrases from the conversation. Make mistakes. It means to do something incorrectly while learning or trying. Example: everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Give up. It means to stop trying to do something. Example: don't give up just because English is difficult. Be afraid of. It means to feel nervous or worried about something. Example: many students are afraid of speaking English in class. Compare yourself with. It means to judge yourself by looking at another person. Example: don't compare yourself with other learners. Keep practicing. It means to continue practicing regularly. Example: If you keep practicing, your English will improve. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.